Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry, this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the EFI relay is located, this is practically for the electronic fuel injection system relay, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, relays, fuses at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So guys, the EFI relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car that they will be working in just one. This is the fuse box under the hood, but let us show you both. First, you have a fuse box on the driver's side and it's located above the brake panel. Look upside down guys, all the way there under the dash on the left side. You will see one cover, white cover. Open it, and once you open it you see only fuses. But if you open the hood, under the hood facing the engine, next to the car battery on the right side here, you have a fuse box under that cover. When you open it you have that layout right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here is the EFI relay, where you can expect to find it. So you have multiple relays, 1, 2, some models may have 4, 5, 6, up to 6 relays. But guys, none of those is actually okay for the EFI, for the electronic fuel injection system. But you have to have one. So where it is guys? We did some research, there is very limited information, but according to our research, you see that relay right here, this is known as integration relay. This is a computerized relay. Most likely the relay is integrated right here guys, computerized relay that will control the EFI system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.